Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am sharing about Dell Inspiron 4590 laptop and its few features. Now let's have a look here. Here you can see a box and on laptop 15.56 inch and charger, manual. Now let me open laptop from this plastic bag. Here you can get 15.6 inch Dell laptop and Intel Core i5 10th generation. It is 3000 series laptop with full HD display. Webcam is also in HD, wireless plus Bluetooth, HDMI, Dell camera, Dell mobile connect, and you can also get fingerprint in this laptop. And in this laptop you can get M.2 also, so that you can add SSD beside HDD. Here I have one laptop already customized. In this laptop you can see Windows 8, this PC here, 1 TB HDD and 256 GB SSD. Now let's check system info here. Windows 10 Home single language, version 10.0, 18362, build 18362, and Intel Core i5 10th generation, 1 GHz CPU, 1190 mHz, 4 cores, 8 logical processors, 8 GB RAM,